Hi, my name is Leah from Imagine DIY, and I'm going to show you today how to make this really beautiful sparkly wedding invitation. It's just got the right amount of bling with this lovely embellishment and the sparkly ribbon, and then that's balanced by a really simple, elegant invitation on the inside. So I'm going to show you how to make that today. It's actually pretty easy, and we're going to start with the invitation panel. So I've used this ribbon. It's a non-fray ribbon and it's got a metallic finish, and we're going to make a loop out of that by just cutting the right length, and we're going to trim that down to size so we just get a narrower section of ribbon. And because this is a non-fray ribbon, we can cut it and we don't have to worry about it fraying after. So now we've trimmed that down to size, we're going to use a hot melt glue gun to stick that into place. So we'll fold it over, as you can see, and then run a small line of glue down the centre of the back panel. When we press the ribbon into place on top, the glue should sort of seep through the ribbon and hold both sides into place. There, so that forms your loop, and now we're going to stick the top panel of card on top, and this just hides the loop, but it also gives an extra sturdiness to the card and it gives a real sense of luxury. So we're going to add double-sided tape all around the insert, and once we've done that, you can see we've got it all around the outside edges and across the middle, and then we're going to stick the top card panel on top. We're going to line up the edges and make sure everything is straight, and then just press it firmly into place. We're going to do the same with the silver glitter card panel, and just for your information, all the sizes and dimensions and materials are available on our website Imagine DIY, and there's also a downloadable template on there as well, so everything you need is on our website. But we're just now going to stick this into the centre of the invitation panel, and we're going to press that firmly into place, and that just forms one of the layers of the invitation. Now we're going to take the printed invitation panel and we're going to stick that on top using the same method as we've just done. So running 3 lines of double-sided tape across, and once we've done that, we're then going to stick that firmly into place on the glitter card panel. We're just going to straighten up any scruffy edges, and then we can just press it into place, and you can see we've got this lovely layered effect on the invitation there. So that is the invitation section done, and we're just going to have a look at how to make the beautiful wallet that it slots into now. So we're going to make a start by finding out the right length of ribbon. We're going to hold the ribbon in the front, wrap it around, and when it meets back in the middle, you can just cut off a slight overlapping edge, so slightly larger than the width of the invitation. Once we've done that, you need to move one edge that is roughly in the middle of the card, and then we can start gluing it into place. So we're going to use a glue gun and just put a blob of glue right in the centre, and we're then going to put the ribbon on top and just carefully pinch one side into place. So as you can see, I'm sort of pinching and gathering and holding it at the same time, and once I'm happy, I've just then pressed it into place, and I can repeat the same the other side. So just a blob of glue, and I'm just putting the centre of the ribbon onto the blob and then kind of gathering the ribbon in on top of the glue, pressing it into place as I go. So you can see this forms like a really nice gathered effect to the ribbon. But before you stick your embellishment into place, just use a scissors and cut off any overlapping edges of ribbon, and that will just keep it looking really nice and neat for you. And then we're ready to stick the embellishment on. So just take your embellishment, we're turning it round to the back, and just put in a small amount of glue across the centre around the outside edges and to form a cross. And we can then press the embellishment into place on the centre of the ribbon, hold it in until the glue is dried, and you can see that's the end of your invitation. It just sits really beautifully on top of the ribbon and creates a really lovely effect. So why not give it a go? Visit our website imaginediy.co.uk for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye.